Bonjour et bienvenue à Français systématique. Hello and welcome to Français systématique. Today in this lesson we are going to learn numbers in French. First of all, how do we say numbers in French? Les chiffres et les nombres. So there are two things, les chiffres and les nombres. Right? So what is the difference between both of them? Les chiffres are single digit numbers, and when we talk about les nombres, they are any number which is not single digit. Right? So it can be double digit, 3-digit number, or like 4-digit, 5-digit, right? So let's just now quickly start with numbers. The first one is 0. 0. That is 0. Then that is 1. Deux, that is 2. Trois, that is 3. Quatre, that is 4. Cinq, that is 5. Six, that is 6. Sept, that is 7. Huit, that is 8. Neuf, that is 9. So now we have learned numbers from 0 to 9. So we have completed les chiffres. So let's just now quickly revise all of them, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. So now let's just move forward. These, that is 10. Onze, that is 11. Douze, that is 12. Treize, that is 13. Quatorze, that is 14. Quinze, that is 15. Seize, that is 16. Dix-sept, that is 17. Dix-huit, that is 18. Dix-neuf, that is 19. And vingt, that is 20. Now let's just quickly revise all the numbers from 10 to 20. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Right. After 20, all the numbers will be divided into two parts. The first part will remain same for the 9 numbers and will change after every multiple of 10. For example, let's say for 20. So 20 we know 20. After that, from 21 to 29, the first part will remain same, 20. Okay? Same goes for 30, 40, 50. Okay? And now talking about the second part will repeat consecutively from 2 to 9. you have learned les chiffres, right? So from 2 to 9, it will repeat consecutively. For example, 22, 20 and 2. So 22. 20 is 20, 2 is 2. 23, 23. 20 is 20 and 3 is 3. 23. So it was simple, no? Now let's just quickly learn all the multiples of 10 so that you can easily make all the numbers till 60, right? So the first one is these. You already know this one. These, that is 10. Second one is 20. 20. This also you have already learned, 20. Right? Now 30. 30. That is 30. 40. 40. That is 40. 50. That is 50.
50, that is 50.
60. Now you must be thinking that why haven't I told you about the ones? Like 21, 31. I've told you that in the second part we need to repeat from 2 to 9 consecutively. But what about 1? Now the answer to this will be that 1 will come. That is, will come. But between the two parts, we will even put another word that will be a. That is et, a, which means and. So, for example, 21. 21. 21. Okay, that is 20 and 1. 21. 21. In the same manner, 31. 31. 41. 41. 51. 51. Bravo! You can easily make all the numbers. Now can you try with 56? Right! 56. That is very simple because 50 and 6. 56. Right. Now let's just quickly revise from 20 to 60. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay, so now you have learned all the numbers from 0 to 60. So congratulations! Now I have prepared a small activity, or we can say a small quiz for you guys for a better understanding for all these numbers from 0 to 60. So let's just start with that.
To see how much you have learned, you can simply click on the link given below in the description box and appear for the quiz on numbers. That is les chiffres et les nombres. If you feel like you need to improve, then you can re-watch this video and appear for the quiz once again. So all the best and wait for my next video.